Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a blog with WordPress, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, go to the WordPress website. Click on the Get Started button. Choose a plan that fits your needs. Create an account by entering your email address. Set a strong password for security. Select a username for your account. After registering, log in to your new WordPress dashboard. Click on Site Title to name your blog. Next, select a theme that matches your style. Preview different themes to find the perfect one. Once you've chosen a theme, click Activate. Go to Customize to personalize your site's appearance. Add a logo by clicking on Site Identity. Next, navigate to the Posts section to create your first blog post. Click on Add New to start writing. Enter a compelling title for your post. Use the text editor to write your content. Add images by clicking on Add Media. Make sure to format your text for clarity and engagement. Once your post is ready, set a category and tags for organization. Click Publish to make your post live. To create more pages, go to the Pages section and click Add New. Create essential pages like About and Contact. Use the Appearance menu to set up your menu. Add the pages you created to your menu for easy access. Make sure to adjust your privacy settings according to your preference. Finally, review your blog to ensure everything looks appealing. Regularly update and engage with your audience to grow your blog. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.